Hi friends, today we'll discuss about underwriters, lead managers, bankers, share transfer agents, debenture trustees, brokers, and the credit rate agencies. So this video is prepared and uh, to discuss on these points. So to discuss these points, one should know what is IPO because all these are related to the IPO. So IPO is initial public offering. So in general scenario, you have two types of companies. One is private limited company, one is public limited company. So if you take a transport, you have a public transport and you have your own car. So public transport means anybody can get into the bus or train, you can take the ticket and you'll go to the destination. But private vehicle, my own vehicle, this is my decision whether uh, I'll alone go in my car, or I'll go with my family, or I'll take my relatives or known person only. So private means it will be closed group. Public means it is be open. So same way, some companies are public limited companies, some companies are private limited companies. Public limited company, you can become a owner of the company. If you buy one share also, you will be the owner of the company. So anybody can buy or anybody can sell. If somebody buys 51% of share, you will get a control on the company also. So if it is a private limited company, that whatever the promoters or shareholders will be close relatives, family members only. So now you need the difference. So one private company, they want to become a public, then they have to process through IPO, initial public offer. In initial public offer, they'll sell some shares to the public with a premium rate. So investors can invest, and after that, these shares will become public. Anybody can buy and sell, and these can be traded. So now you know the difference between a public limited company and private limited company. So what is IPO process? So first you will hire a underwriters for your IPO and register IPO and verification by the SEBI. So making an application to the stock exchange, creating a business paper notification, road shows to tell about your company, your growth, and your why investors should come and invest in your company. Price of IPO, it may be already we had discussed 10 rupees face value, 5 rupees face value, 1 rupee face value. With premium, they'll sell it because a lot of reserves are there in that company and they have a lot of growth. Allotments of shares. So after that, people will apply for the shares. Then company will allot the shares to investors. So what is the underwriters? So underwriters, what they will do, they will give a guarantee. Like for example, one company, they are going with 50 crores shares to public with 10 rupees premium, 20 rupees premium. Sometimes what happens, 50 crores shares maybe not subscribed, means only 25 crores shares only application has got from the general public or other institutions. So underwriters or lead managers, they'll give the guarantee to buy the unsold shares. So in this scenario, 50 crore shares issued to public, but only we have received applications for the 25 crores only. Another 25 crores will be, they'll buy, underwriters and lead managers, they'll buy, and for the company they'll charge some commission and they'll give a guarantee to the bank that whatever unsold will buy. So companies will go to IPOs. Some may be oversubscribed, some may be undersubscribed. Undersubscribed means already we have discussed. I issued 50 crore shares, but only 25 crore shares will be applied by the investors. It is under subscription. I issued 50 crores worth of shares to public, but I got the applications for the 100 crores shares. It is over subscription. So it is demand exceeding your supply. So I have 50 crores shares, but I got it 100 crores worth of application. This is called over subscription. So share transfer. So share transfer will be applicable only for the public limited companies where investors will be buying and selling, but these should be routed through the share transfer agents only. So in example, Hari sold 10 TCS share to Mohan. So Mohan will get the shares and Hari will get the money. So the ownership, whatever the 10 shares, no, this ownership will be transferred from Hari to Mohan through share transfer agents. Debenture trustees. So we have two things for a bank, for a company, they want a capital or they want any funds from the market, they'll go for the debentures or shares. So shares means uh, whoever buys, they'll get ownership on the company. But debentures are like a loan. So shares, if you are having shares, if company gets profit, then only you'll get dividend. But debentures, if you are getting profit or loss, that whatever the agreed percentage should be given to the debentures. So the companies will take certain purpose, they'll take some debentures. So debenture trustees, what they'll do, whatever the amount they have taken for the purpose, special purpose, whether these debentures amount as allocated to same activity, whether these funds are properly utilized to complete that activity, these things will be monitored by the debentures trustees. So now you got the role of the debentures trustees, and you know the difference between the debentures and shares. So debentures is like a medium and long term debt only. Brokers. So you want to buy a sell a house, you will approach for the brokers. Same way in stock exchanges, you have a recognized brokers only. Through them only we can buy, sell your shares with a price that will be keep on changing. Credit rating agency. These agencies, for example, now as an individual company, you approach a bank or financial institution for a loan. First, they'll verify what is your credit rating. So, what is credit rating? Credit rating is your credit worthiness and what are the loans you have taken, what is your repayment schedule, how you are paying on time or delay is there, any account is NPA, it has become NPA, any account is written off, all those things, your credit history will be maintained by the credit rating agencies. For example, CRISIL, ICRA, CARE. So any individual go for the loan, first they'll verify your rating with CRISIL, then only your application will be accepted. So you know the role of the credit rating agencies. These people will maintain the credit worthiness, credit history of the individuals and companies. Thank you, friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please like my video and comment. If you need any additional information, please comment and please share with your friends also.